Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, a common issue I see on lot of Power Platform developer is that when they're in Power Automate and they got a filter, okay, filter get items that they get from a data source like a SharePoint list, is that they want to filter it with the email. So that field is mapped as a person in SharePoint list. So how can you do? This is how you can do. So here in this, like first you select the site address list name, then approver is the field name, and it's gonna be like slash email. So it's very case sensitive, so that you should make sure, okay, equals then those codes and the email that is that you want to put. Like I have made it dynamic, like it is coming from a different data source, but again you can hard code also if that's the requirement, and then it's gonna work for you. So that's how simple it is, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.